What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. All right, so I had been, I don't know, manifesting this, I guess. So I've been saying this in my videos that I don't have a truck and that I've been wanting to get a truck. And I've been in the search for a little pickup truck for a couple weeks, maybe a month or two already. So since I bought the Civic, I was on the search for a truck, but I didn't find anything good enough, so I ended up buying the Civic. So originally the Civic was going to be my daily, just to get to work and back, and then fix it up and eventually leave it for my daughter so she could drive it to school as her first car. But that stuff changed and now we're keeping it as our project. Anyways, fast forward, been looking online for pickup trucks, or any truck actually, service trucks, just something within my budget that would be convenient for me. And we finally picked something up. I went ahead and picked something up last night, guys. As you guys can tell already, the color is right behind us. If you know about these trucks by the color, you already know what it is. So without further ado, this is our new to us pickup truck that we will be using for work, service, roadside, everything. Here it is, guys.
Freaking Ford Ranger. Motherfucking son of a gun. Motherfucking Ford Ranger.
So she does have some details on her, couple dents. It's a 2000 Ford Ranger, extended cab, broken window, as you can tell. Nothing much to say about it. It's a 3.0 V6. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. I was looking for a manual truck this time around because I miss driving stick shift. Like I said, it does have a few dents that we're gonna fix. And let me show you guys the interior. It is a little rough. So we are missing this panel right here, or this door. I think it's a handle on that side as well. We are missing it. The center console doesn't stay down, so we'll have to fix that. The panels on both doors are missing, so she's dirty, really dirty. And also, like I said, it has the bad window, or they broke it. So all in all, she needs some work. But as I'm saying, or as I'm telling you guys, we are going to use it for work. So I picked it up for $2,000. The engine runs good. I drove it. I test drove this truck last night, picked it up last night, test drove it, shifts smooth, test drove really good. Of course, it does have, like, the valve covers are starting to leak a little bit. It does have a check engine light for a cylinder 1 misfire, so we'll have to switch out the spark plugs, wires. Don't know much about these engines, but I'm assuming this is a distributor right here. Like I said, we will be changing that. We'll do a tune-up on it. Other than that, pretty good. Checked to make sure she didn't have any water condensation or anything on the cap, any milkiness residue, and no. So all in all, not bad. It does have 200,000 miles, but well, that seems to be a pattern with this one now. It's a 2000, got it for $2,000, and it has 200,000 miles. Not bad. Anyways, we will be doing a few things to it. I already went ahead and looked up some wheels and tires to swap those out eventually. I will be buying a dent kit to remove the dents. I don't know if they sell it, but I will be looking into that. The window, I have someone hopefully coming to fix it tomorrow. I already found the panels for the doors on Marketplace already. I just have to go pick them up. Let me open this door, see if it even opens. I didn't even try to open this door. Oh, there it is. Well, this panel's a little loose. What am I talking about? It's missing. It's completely off. Oh, the clip on the bottom isn't put in right. Well, I need some work, guys. So we will have to fix it up. Let me see. There's the seat stays. Doors open. Oh, we got some jumper cables. Maybe it was dying on them. Need some speakers. There's a seat. Got some Came with some water already. Yeah, she's dirty. She's going to need a wash for sure. Clean her out, detail it, and then see what we end up doing. But like I said, found the panels already. Gotta go pick those up. I also already found someone that said they were gonna come do the window tomorrow, so we'll get that handled right away. Tune up first, go smog it. Hopefully it passes. It has a catalytic converter and everything on it, full exhaust, all original. It will stop for a few months, possibly a year. I'm not exactly sure, but it is registered. The owner did register it or continue to pay the registration on it. So all in all, it's not that bad. Perfect for work. Putting a little toolbox, maybe another toolbox down here. Not sure how I'm gonna set it up, but that's our new to us truck, guys. So we'll start building this one as well. We do have some stuff that I purchased already in my garage for the Civic coming up. That'll be also being built at the same time. So we'll just see how I end up distributing the funds in between the two builds, just because we're not rich. We're still grinding. Plus there's a few things that I want to do to the Camry to have it as my weekend car or daily driver. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have any suggestions or any advice for maintenance or things I should look out for on the Ford Ranger, just because, like I said, this is the first one I'm owning and don't know much about them. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe, and as always, thank you for supporting. See you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, guys, so it is a whole new day. As you guys were able to tell the other day, it was raining. Well, there's water right there, but this is the window that today they are going to come and replace, according to the guys. But the issue we're running into is that they don't just replace one little window panel, they have to replace all three. So unfortunately, I'm on my way to work right now, so I won't be able to record it, but they said that they would be here and they'd be able to do it here by themselves. Just need the key to the truck and they'd be able to handle it. So God willing, that will be handled and done with by the time we get back from work. And then I also have to do something about this door. There's like a door gap. And the other thing as well is that we don't have the little rubber piece right here that goes on this door. I just realized that. But that's the inside of the window. Like I said, it should be getting replaced today, and then we will start fixing up a few other things.